when you do a deal, it's a 6-figure, 7-figure, or even 8-figure outcome, which is literally transformational to your life. It's also feast or famine in terms of working. So you have tons of free time. You can travel a lot. You can spend time with your family. I've got a young family. I've seen them grow up. I've spent, every day with my kids, which if I was still in that entrepreneur phase in my 20s, not a fucking chance. So I'm really grateful that I decided to pursue and understand this space, even though it is a vast topic. Now we kind of have ways of doing deals that are a bit more low resistance and easier to do and easier to adapt to. So you don't have to go and do big, complicated transactions. You can do something small and simple to kind of get you started. And that's a great way to then learn the basic mechanics, like how do I transfer the shares into my name? How do I deal with director appointments? How do, all those little things that, the big picture is relatively easy to grasp, but the devil is in the detail.
Which is really interesting.